Hey there, JB Plumbing and Router. Just want to say thank you, first of all, for letting us send this video to you. Basically, we wanted to share with you some tips and tricks on how we are able to rank websites within Google. And so there are three main components that go into it, and it's called search engine optimization. And the first main component has to do with the content on your website. It can be in the front page of your website or within these service pages as well. But basically, on this front page, you generally want to have about 1,500 key words. Sorry, 1,500 words of content so that you can implement those necessary key words. And so 1,500 words on this front page to have place value for those keywords. And then the other two components of search engine optimization has to do with backlinks and citations. And so what I did is I took your website and I put it into a tool that we use called Ahrefs. And so this is basically going to show us how you rank within Google. These two right here, these ratings show you the power of your domain. This shows you basically kind of how popular you are within Google. And so the combination of backlinks, citations or referring domains, and keywords is called search engine optimization, and it powers these ratings. Backlinks refers to any other kind of website that you might be linked to, and then it gives you power back to your site. And so that could be a blog, a magazine, in your case, maybe a construction website. There's just a really huge amount of various different types of websites that can be linked back to your website. So this right here represents different places that your business is listed, like in a directory. So it could be Yelp or Yellow Pages. And there also is just a huge amount of different directories out there that you can actually list your business and increase in strength within Google. And then lastly is the keywords, as I was referring to in the beginning. And so let's just take a look at your keywords that you're ranking for. You got plumbing and router up here, and you are in the 9th position for that. Drain repair, JB plumbing, router Los Angeles, router service. So you kind of get the idea, and I'm guessing that you have implemented these fit keywords within your website so that you can be found by Google. Well, what I wanted to do was go to your services, your service areas, and find just specifically the areas that you would want to be found in. And so Los Angeles is such a broad area, so I'm going to take Hollywood, and I'm going to Google plumber in Hollywood, and that's what I did here. And so first of all, up at the top here, you're going to see the Google Ads, and that is something we also do. We can do pay-per-click. And but let's bypass that and take a look at this. This is called the map pack, and basically you want to be in the top 3 here in the maps listing. And so that is definitely something that we can do. And now I wanted to know if you had your own maps listing, and so I couldn't really find you in the various places within the top, so I had to basically put in JB Plumbing Maps, and there I found you. And so what we can do is actually definitely optimize your listing to be able to be found in those specific service areas. And yeah, and so basically, let's just go back here. You want to be in the top 3 here within your listing, and that's definitely optimizable and doable. But let's take a look at the organic search results. Everything below the maps listing is the organic search results. And right here, we're going to bypass the directory listings, Yelp. I know this guy and this guy, they're huge all over Los Angeles. And I think these two are national. So let's just take the next one. We're going to skip over Angie's list. And it looks like this guy might be the best one to compare. And ooh, this website is not secure. But what we're going to do is we're going to also take this one and put it in the tool Ahrefs. And so just to see where this person will be ranking, this Reckon Plumbing. And as you can see, their combination here is bringing in a lot more traffic and a lot more revenue. And they have about 544 other websites that they're linking to and 241 places that they are listed in various directories. And they are ranking for 804 keywords. And so let's just take a look at their keywords real quick. And you can get an idea of the various types of keywords that you would want to implement within your website by looking at this. Plumbing repair near me. I think that's their name. Of course, they're ranking #1 for that. I don't know if pool plumbing is something that you do, but Plumber Sherman Oaks, Plumber Van Nuys, Plumber Beverly Hills, Plumber Aurora Hills. You would want to have Plumber Hollywood, Plumber Atwater, Plumber Los Feliz, Plumber Silver Lake, Studio City. You know, these are just various keywords that you would want to be found for. And then also just various services that you do, such as water leak repair. You can see they have a lot of different cities, Plumber North Hollywood. And so this is how they are able to be seen in a lot of these different regions by implementing these various keywords. And I'm sure they also probably have optimized their maps listing. But that is just a quick overview of search engine optimization and also good business optimization that we can do for you if you are interested. So if you like this video, if you didn't like this video, please give me some feedback and let me know how I'm doing. Thank you so much.